What if I told you you can make the best salad with just lettuce on your plate? Let me show you. Now that we've chopped the lettuce, you need a blender. In a blender, you're gonna put dill. I put a lot of dill. A full avocado for that creaminess. Let's see how easy this comes out. Yep, that was very satisfying. Garlic, or I'm a garlic girl. And you can put either cashews or whatever nuts you have. I have walnuts. And then I'm gonna add kale for greens and lemon and a little bit of salt and olive oil. This one is extra juicy. Here is your sauce. Add water, guys. It helps the process. And there you have it. The best sauce in the world to put with your lettuce. Just lettuce.